thing Ash would love to see founders doing to help the progression of ONPASSIVE?
I really don't like to ask people what to do, but if I was a founder, I would definitely be preparing myself to best utilize ONPASSIVE for my new life, starting with having enough funds to be in every product, with not missing one product, not to pay for it immediately all the way, be all in. My equipments, I would have a home office or any office. My work environment or workspace at home, I would have a corner, cage, whatever it is, just like where I'm comfortable, so I'm going to spend a lot of time. And I would be learning, educating myself, whether on the blog. I would not miss a webinar. If you ask me, if I'm a founder, I would not miss one word. I would definitely spend time on YouTube, learning, interacting. If you don't have time, I understand. They can get so many sometimes, like if you have 3-4 live streams, you can skip through them. I listen to most of them, and if you ask me, how are you doing it? I click speed up, and sometimes I jump if I know the topic or the welcoming and all of that. So if it's a 30 minutes, I'm able to get it in 5 minutes, that quick. But if there's something that, oh, interesting, then I pause, but I didn't miss anything, technically. And, while, like, I'm even looking at the chat and all that, sometimes you think, well, how are you seeing all that? You have to have a system. So I will make my entire activities, my daily agenda, 100% ONPASSIVE. And I would, listen carefully, try to see their vision and their views, because they're not sharing everything with us. And I'm going to be excited and passionate and try to enjoy every day of it as things unveil and progress. But I wouldn't suggest the typical things. Share, make a list, go after this, bug people, make a sign, none of that. That's annoying, that's unproductive. I would just understand the value I have, I believe in it, and I will have enough to multiply it. That's what I would do. I mean, I wouldn't want to have any plan before I have the main critical plan is to be in it. That's not just a word. Previously, up until today, it's free, but now you want to be in it. You want to be paid. You want to be all in. So that would be my priority, to be in it 100%, all the way, all in. I would not skip a product of ONPASSIVE. And I would definitely use all the products, whether ONET, OMail. I would play with them day and night. It's going to get more accurate and more efficient, especially when there's money involved. Right now we can fix things, put them down, refresh. We're paying for it. Nobody's paying for it but us. But good question. And I like to have, again, the example, I'm a founder. I like to see everybody have their own twist. I wouldn't want everybody to be the same. Yeah, he's doing good, let's do like that. No. Everybody's unique, so I would like everybody to see their area of strength and play and benefit others with it. Hope that makes sense. But very good question, by the way.